big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy for posting this first video. Today we have a deal on this Makita mower. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, this mower is down to $399. It is a 36 volts mower. As you guys see here, it says a Makita 18 volt 36 LXT lithium brushless cordless 18-inch lawnmower kit with 4 batteries, 4 amp hour batteries. Guys, you're getting total of 4 batteries with this thing, a dual port charger, a mower with the bagger. Guys, there's $25 off you can get with this mower if you guys enter the code. It's MA. Hold on, I'll add it to the cart. I'll show you guys what it is. Go to cart. Alright, so it's MAK mower. My bad. Mower. Apply. Guys, it's down to $374. Guys, go get them. This is a really good deal. This is a professional level tool, so definitely check it out. This is, I believe it's a steel deck. Definitely check it out. $374 is the lowest we've seen this. Acme tool, go get them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And the link will be down below in the description section.